So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to put Life 360 on dark mode. So if you want to change your Life 360 appearance, the app doesn't really currently have a built-in dark mode toggle within the app's settings. Instead, the app will automatically follow your phone's system-wide dark mode settings on most iOS and Android devices. So let's enable dark mode within the device. So once you're here, you can see your screen time, your focus, your notifications, and some other stuff that's within there. So you should go to display and brightness and choose the option of either automatic if it's nighttime, or you can choose dark to be switched like that. So you can exit. You can see right now it's dark. If you click on this, it's going to ask if you want some pop-up will ask you something, but it should follow your dark mode. So if it's not appearing, maybe you need to restart the app. So through there, you should be seeing that it's going to follow the device's setup. So it should use your dark theme and it's going to switch for you on there. So just make sure that you've changed the setup on the device itself. So you can choose on there how you want your Life 360 to appear by changing the entire device settings within your own settings. So you can then access it and see it a bit differently. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share a video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Life 360 or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.